McManus Auctions here, guys. We got a 2006 Ford F-250 Power Stroke diesel. This is a flatbed. This truck is as tough as nails. We have driven this truck to Idaho and back, and it runs perfect. This has got the dual batteries in it. Power Stroke diesel, it's a 6.0. A lot of maintenance done on this. We've always documented right there. You can see here, these are all changed. It's only got 94,000 miles on the engine and 0 problems with it. Really, really tough truck right here at McManusAuctions.com.